So, welcome to everybody. Today I'm going to explain how to bridge a RiotOS sensor that is sending data over LoRa to an AWS IoT MQTT broker. In order to forward messages from here to our AWS IoT broker, we need to set up a few things. First, these nodes are running on IoT Lab. IoT Lab has a LoRa gateway monitored and managed by the Things network, and the Things network will automatically publishes all the messages that arrive on its gateway to an MQTT broker. So therefore we just need to connect to this MQTT broker, and each time we receive a message here we should republish it to our AWS IoT broker. This part is only done because this way we don't have to use TLS to connect to the AWS IoT broker. We can simply do it with normal MQTT connections that are easier to manage. So first we are going to the Things network, and in our application pane we need to set up a new application and set up two new devices. And we have to save these values. Then we have set up our gateway, that is this part here. This is automatically set up, so we just need to deploy the sensors. This can be done in IoT Lab. I already did it, but I'm going to reset them in order to show you. So IoT Lab allows to connect to our nodes using Netcat, so we can now open a shell inside these nodes that are running on IoT Lab, and I'm going to pass the configuration in order to set up LoRaWAN, and then this command run send will send random measurements in order to check that everything is working properly. So I'm doing it on both the nodes. It says not joined because the first messages are sent too early, but it is actually working. This is our dashboard written in Flask. And so here on the other side we will set up our MQTT bridge, and after that we'll start the TTN to MQTT adapter, and briefly we'll see messages arriving here from the nodes that are published on our broker that will publish them on AWS, and therefore we can retrieve them with our dashboard. So here we just have to wait a little more that the most recent messages will arrive. And okay, now we have them. Here we can see the messages have been correctly forwarded, and we can retrieve them from our dashboard now. Thanks for the attention.